Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore innovative tech solutions that can enhance your workspace and productivity. Today, we have something special to discuss: the WESTREE Dual Monitor Stand Riser. If you're looking to optimize your work environment, stay tuned because this monitor stand is packed with features. Let's dive right into it. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the WESTREE Dual Monitor Stand Riser. Not only does it elevate your monitors, but it also adds a touch of style to your workspace. The first standout feature is the inclusion of not one, but two practical 9.44-inch slide-out drawers. These drawers are perfect for storing items like post-it notes, writing utensils, or even your mobile devices. Say goodbye to desktop clutter. This monitor stand isn't just for single setups. It's designed to accommodate 2 to 3 monitors. Whether you're working with a laptop or a desktop, this stand has you covered. It's the ideal choice when you need multiple computers to work together seamlessly. What sets this stand apart is its unique original design, and it's even a patented product. It sports a sturdy construction in black with a rustic brown wood finish, adding a touch of rustic elegance to your workspace. It's both functional and stylish. The WESTREE monitor stand is all about ergonomics. It's designed to raise your computer screen to a comfortable eye level, reducing the risk of neck and eye strain. You'll enjoy a better viewing experience while maintaining the correct sitting position. Worried about stability? Don't be. This stand is extremely sturdy and can support a maximum weight of up to 100 pounds. You won't have to worry about it collapsing or shaking during use. Now, let's explore how you can use this monitor stand to optimize your workspace. This stand is versatile. You can use it in various settings, from the living room to the bedroom, or even the kitchen. It's strong enough to double as a TV stand if needed. Working with dual monitors? This stand is your perfect companion. It offers the stability and space you need for efficient multitasking. Maintaining the correct sitting posture is crucial for long hours of work. With this stand, you can achieve just that, protecting your cervical spine and reducing discomfort. Sick of a messy desktop? This stand helps you stay organized by providing a designated space for office supplies and other essentials. The rustic brown wood finish adds a unique and stylish touch to your workspace. It can effortlessly complement a variety of desk styles. So, there you have it, the WESTREE Dual Monitor Stand Riser, designed for efficient work in a clutter-free workspace. Whether you're a professional or just looking to enhance your home office, this stand has something to offer. If you found this review helpful and informative, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and recommendations. Have you tried the WESTREE Dual Monitor Stand Riser? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video.